Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Honor Magic 4 Pro has a dual SIM slot. So in order to do this, we'll need to locate the SIM slot, and in this device it's on the bottom right here. Now take the needle straight out of the box and put it in this gap right here. Do not mistake it for this one. And now let's try that. We might need to use a bit of the force to open it. Like this. Now let's take it out. And here's SIM 1, SIM 2. So that confirms this device has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.